Navis Indoor Viewer software enables remote factory optimization through web-based access to realistic digital factories. The interactive features allow centrally located global operations teams to seamlessly collaborate with local teams who are on site. The highly accurate Navis digital factories make it possible to perform many tasks remotely that previously required an on-site visit. The measurement tool in Navis Indoor Viewer has been designed to let users take real-world measurements in browser, which can be saved, annotated, and shared. In just a few clicks, users can take measurements, document and save the results, and then send the plans to the local team to implement by exporting a PDF overview of all the details. The documented measurements include a deep link that enables your team members to click and review the measurement using their own digital factory. For more on Navis Indoor Viewer and the Navis Digital Factory solution, visit navis.com.